Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add camera shutter effect to your video on CAPCUT. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CAPCUT PC application and I'm going to apply camera shutter effect to this video. First of all, we can go to the effect menu on the CAPCUT and then we're going to search for the shutter effect. Like this, just type in shutter. And then you're going to choose the shutter effect from the CAPCUT. This one. Make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect. Okay, now the effect is being downloaded guys. As you can see, it's still loading. And after the effect has been downloaded, we'll be able to add it to our CAPCUT project. Okay, I'm going to add this effect to my video. And now the effect has been added and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add camera shutter effect to our video on CAPCUT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!